I got these king hauler dump bed kits reassembled today. Picked them up from powder coating late yesterday, and so I've spent the day today making the wiring harnesses and assembling them, putting the decals on, that sort of thing, testing everything out. They're both ready to go, ready to be shipped out now. They're both spoken for, so that's a great thing. My two favorite colors. If you guys follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you probably know why that's my favorite color. Yeah, or color combo, I guess. But anyways, yeah. These are pretty much my most basic dump bed kits. These sell for $800 US a piece. That's with the lift, electric lift with limit switches and stuff on it. Both of these have got some extra parts going with them. This one here is got an upgraded bumper. Normally for the $800, normally I provide one of these bumpers. The bumper is part of the mount, so it's necessary to have a bumper of mine to go with it. And then of course I've been making these HD bumpers for the trucks for a while, for the King and Grand haulers. So both boxes, the buyers have wanted the bumpers as well, so that's cool. Love it. It's a little more money for the pot, so I really appreciate it. Island Powder Coating did a fantastic job on these again. Powder coating's nearly flawless, so I really appreciate that. Troy, Ronnie, great job, guys. Yeah, other than that, not much to say about them. Gotta, like I say, get them packed up here now, get some paperwork dealt with, and get them off to their new homes and start on the next thing. So thanks for watching.